Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we can put into x over 2 minus 1 over 2. Next we have the formula in here. So for this one in here, we have about 1 over a sine as plus b, and we put about c. Now this one, that is about 1 over 2 multiplied by s. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 sine of 1 over 2s minus 1 over 2, and I will put about c. This one we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.